Hey guys, this is Mark Epperson with MarineMax in Pompano Beach. I'm aboard a trade-in that we have, a 2023 Chaparral 23 SSI. What a beautiful boat. Nice little day boat if you're looking to go out on the water with your family. Get out there and go to the sandbar, head out to dinner. Nice affordable boat with plenty of space for you and your friends, family. Simrad, digital Simrad. You have a nice open bow, a little spot to put a table, and there's a filler cushion there too, so if you want to lay out in the sun. Nice anchor locker storage. And you do have the sports tower and plenty of seating for everybody. Give us a call, 954-895-2730. Mark Epperson over here at MarineMax, Pompano Beach. You are looking at a 2023 Chaparral 23 SSI.